How much should you really spend on a bandsaw blade for wood? Because cheap ones seem fine until they dull fast or wander off course. And expensive ones? Sometimes they're overkill. The truth is, the right blade depends on what you're actually cutting. Let's fix that confusion.
Product number 1, PowerTech 59.5-inch 18 TPI Precision Blade. First up, the PowerTech 59.5-inch blade with 18 TPI. This one caught my eye because it fits so many common 9-inch bandsaws. Wen, Ryobi, Delta, Craftsman, you name it. At under $14, it's priced right for hobbyists who want clean cuts without breaking the bank. If you want smooth, detailed cuts in thinner hardwoods or plywood, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. 18 teeth per inch means finer, slower cuts, perfect for scrollwork or resawing thin stock without tear out. The high carbon steel holds an edge well, and the raker tooth pattern clears sawdust efficiently, so you're not fighting friction. It's also heat resistant thanks to the welded joints, which helps prevent warping during long cuts. For under $15, it's a solid performer for light to medium woodworking. Now, some people might complain about the lack of reviews or long-term durability data. Honestly, that's fair. It's a budget blade, and if you're running thick oak all day, it'll wear faster than premium options. But for weekend woodworkers or beginners testing their setup, it's reliable and easy to replace. This is perfect for you if you've got a smaller bandsaw and mostly cut thinner materials like cherry, maple, or MDF. Skip this one if you're doing heavy resawing or need extended blade life. At $14, it's great value for casual use.
Product number 2, PowerTech 62-inch 3-blade assortment. All right, that was a solid single blade. But if you want versatility without buying 3 separate packs, check out the PowerTech 62-inch 3-pack. At around $36, it gives you 1/8, 1/4 inch, and 3/8 widths with different TPI counts, ideal for everything from tight curves to rough ripping. If you want one box that handles scrollwork, resawing, and general cuts, this is a smart move. Here's why this matters. The 14 TPI 1/8 blade is perfect for detailed scroll cuts in 1/4 inch stock, while the 6 TPI 3/8 blade powers through thick pine or walnut with minimal strain on your motor. All 3 are made from high-grade carbon steel with strong welds, so they resist snapping during aggressive cuts. Plus, they fit popular 9-inch saws like Wen and Grizzly. Just double-check your manual first. The downside? The packaging doesn't always label each blade clearly, so you might mix them up. Also, the thinnest blade can wander if your guides aren't perfectly adjusted. But honestly, that's more about machine setup than the blade itself. This is perfect for you if you do a mix of projects, from decorative inlays to cutting book-matched slabs. Skip this if you only ever cut one type of material. For the price, it's an excellent all-in-one solution. Product number 3, a Yao 72-inch 3-blade variety pack. Now, if the PowerTech set didn't fit your saw, this a Yao 72-inch assortment might be the answer. Designed for 10-inch Delta, Wen, and Shopsmith bandsaws, it includes 1/8, 1/4 inch, and 3/8 inch blades with 12, 10, and 6 TPI respectively. At $29, it's a little cheaper than similar kits, and the ground teeth stay sharp longer. Here's why this matters. Ground teeth, not just stamped, mean better edge retention and cleaner cuts, especially in hardwoods. The raker set pattern helps with chip removal, so you're not burning through material. The 1/8 blade handles tight radius curves, while the 3/8 inch 6 TPI version is great for resawing thicker boards. It's built for wood, PVC, and even thin aluminum, so it's surprisingly flexible. One real flaw: the welding points, while strong, can sometimes be slightly uneven, causing minor vibration on high-speed cuts. It's not dangerous, but you'll feel it if your saw isn't perfectly tuned. This is perfect for you if you own a 10-inch bandsaw and want a balanced set for detailed and heavy-duty work. Skip this if you need ultra-thin blades for micro scroll work. For under $30, it's a steal.
Product number 4, Fox BC 93.5-inch industrial 3-pack. All right, that was a solid option. But if you've got a 14-inch bandsaw, like a Delta, Jet, or Grizzly, you need something tougher. Enter the Fox BC 93.5-inch 3-pack. At $38, it's pricier, but it uses Japanese SK5 steel, which is known for toughness and edge retention. If you want professional-grade cuts in hardwoods without constant blade changes, this is it. Here's why this matters. The 1-inch 6 TPI blade is a beast for resawing 8-quarter maple or walnut. The 1/8-inch 14 TPI blade handles fine detailing, and all teeth are induction hardened for consistent sharpness. The wider blades track straighter, reducing drift, a huge win for precision work. Plus, the hardened teeth resist dulling from resinous woods like pine. The downside? These blades are heavier and stiffer, so they put more strain on smaller motors. If your saw isn't built for industrial use, you might notice slower feed rates or overheating. This is perfect for you if you run a full-sized 14-inch bandsaw and cut thick, dense wood regularly. Skip this if you're on a budget or only do light work. It's pricey, but built to last.
Product number 5. Fox BC 72-inch 1/2 6 TPI heavy-duty duo. Finally, if you're focused purely on resawing and don't need a variety pack, the Fox BC 72-inch 1/2 6 TPI 2-pack is a no-brainer. At just over $20, you get 2 beefy blades made from high-carbon steel with a razor tooth set that bites hard and clears fast. If you want maximum width and stability for slicing thick slabs, this is your go-to. Here's why this matters. The 1/2-inch width provides excellent beam strength, meaning less deflection and straighter cuts through 4-inch stock. The 6 TPI is ideal for fast, aggressive cuts in softwoods and hardwoods alike. The 0.03-inch thickness adds durability, and the heat-resistant welds prevent breakage during long sessions. The flaw? These are overkill for thin stock. Try cutting 1/4-inch plywood with this, and you'll get tear-out and wasted material. It's not versatile. It's a specialist. This is perfect for you if you resaw regularly and want reliable, straight cuts. Skip this if you do mostly fine scrollwork. For $20, it's outstanding value for heavy-duty use.
So which one's best? For small saws and detail work, the PowerTech 59.5-inch blade wins. Need variety? The PowerTech or IO 3-packs cover most bases. Got a 14-inch saw? Fox BC's industrial set is built for it. And if you only resaw, the Fox BC 72-inch Duo is hard to beat. Pick based on your saw size and what you cut most. Don't just go for the cheapest or fanciest. That's how you actually get clean cuts.